What up, guys? Thomas here, and today we did not take any. Well, I did during Asia session yesterday, but I only took a trade for like $50, something like that. So it wasn't anything. It wasn't even like it was like a little trade. Anyway, let me update you guys on the account. On Friday, I did not trade. Oh shit. Well, marked out this because I knew it was gonna hit anyway. Looks like we're targeting all-time highs. Yeah, but anyway, guys, let me just mark this out, RQ. That's New York. We have all-time highs over here. Okay, anyway, so on the account, I'm down. We rent traded on this day, and then we rent traded on this day. I didn't even I was up. It was down 400. Oh no, okay, so it's up 140, down. Took 3 losses in a row. I was down like 600. And I won, then lost, then won, lost. You get it? Yeah, it was tragic. Very, very tragic. That's a shame. That's a damn shame. So we're dealing with a 596, like $600 buffer right now. So we're being very, very, very careful. We had the AWS website shut down, so this was bugging during one of my classes today. It was straight bugging. It was being very difficult with I couldn't log on, and then I would usually trade from right here, around this right here. I usually trade from 9:40 to 11:40 right here. So those are the times I like to trade, but I wasn't trading today just because it wasn't loading, wouldn't let me log on. So no trades today. I try to see if what is going on? My thing's bugging. It's really weird. I tried to trade today during or see if I could find, or see if the market could present me a trade. It did not, so I'm not too stressed about it. I'm just getting a good night's sleep. 9:05, so I'm trying to get a nice sleep for tomorrow. But today I'm gonna be trading, back testing with you guys. I'm gonna do a little bit back testing just because I haven't posted in a couple of days. So that's totally on me, just because that Friday really messed me up, and I was out of it. But back in it, I just clear my head, take a break from the charts for a little bit. So not trading today. That's a big step for me. Not just throwing in a trade, whatever. I still took the agent session trade, so that was still bad. So yeah, but I didn't mean to do that. But we're gonna be doing it through Chart Champs PB. Yo, this is awesome. Hit me up if you wanna give you some clout, bro. I'm not that clouded up, but I love this platform. Use this. It's been helping me a lot. So let's get straight into it. So we're doing $50,000, 1 hour limit. We're gonna be taking we'll take 2 trades, and we're gonna be trading Nasdaq, and yeah. So let's get straight into it. So what are we gonna do first? We're gonna find out our bias. What do we think price is gonna be doing? What do we predict price is gonna go? So price is. So I don't know which way I should be. This way? Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Oh, damn. Okay, down. Almost threw up. Okay. So price seems to be pushing maybe a little bit bearish. We haven't touched. Maybe we could be targeting this area of strong liquidity. This is weekly low right here. Sunday, Monday. Yeah, it was like 2 weeks ago, low right there. So we could very well be targeting that. We did take out the last week's lows, so that's also good. But we did inverse this. We filled this opening week for value gap. So we are waiting to see a reaction out of it. We're starting to get one a little bit. I bet we fill the rest of this fifth hour for value gap, maybe tap into it just a little bit just to come back down. But it is Monday at 7 p.m. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be trading New York session. So we can mark out Asia, we can mark out London, and we can mark out pre-market and market open. Here we go. Okay, so one thing I love to do when I'm back testing is figuring out where I'd like to see price go. So I see a lot of consolidation right here. So what I'm thinking price is going to do, what I predict during Asia session, it's going to have some sort of manipulation, and it's going to manipulate us. So we're going to be looking for some sort of manipulation during Asia session. So we're just going to skip through this. Yep, okay, so maybe we see a reverse back up. I mean, yeah. We hit the weekly low. It's a very high time frame. Drawn liquidity, and we're gonna keep on pushing. Continuation during London. So I also think is gonna happen, but we don't get much of one. Manipulation, continuation, reversal. Hold up, I think that's how it goes. Y'all know I got my notebook with me just to remind me on things that I'd be forgetting sometimes. So we do have my notebook, y'all. But so what do we get after session consolidation? We get manipulation, reversal. Okay. Previous session manipulation, we get reversal, and then previous session manipulation plus reversal, we get new session continuation. So if you see reversal during, then we get the continuation. Okay, so think, boom, bam. I think we can keep on pushing down during London. Oh, we're in pre-market anyway. During pre-market, let's see what we can do. Sorry guys, there's some showering going on. Coming into market open, what do I think we're gonna do? Okay, let's mark out what we have. So what do we have during Asia? We have Asia highs right here. We have Asia highs that got swept by London. We got London highs right here, and we got London lows right here. Nice. We can't get rid of this high time frame drawn liquidity. Let's go to hourly liquidity draws. So we do have a high right here. We have a low right here. That's about it. We do have this high time frame for value gap that is in need of filling, but yeah, that's what we can be looking for during pre-market to see if what price wants to do. Honestly, just kind of, yeah, it kind of did manipulate, and then some sort of reversal. So yeah, I think we're going to push bullish today. That's what I think we're going to do. Even after hitting these highs, maybe come down and then start pushing bullish again. So what am I looking for? We did low-key just fill this to a T so far. Not really. Not really. Took out London highs. Same thing. We didn't touch equilibrium, so I'm not really looking to take this trade, but we do have this for value gap right here we can target, and then we also have the rest of this for value gap we can target. But what I'd be looking for, a trade right here if this did touch equilibrium. It did not though, so we're not looking for a trade up just yet. What do we get up here? It's currently 12. So we got this. This. Okay, I'm going too fast. I'm gonna be taking this trade right now. So we got retrace into equilibrium, into our fair value gap, and we gotta break a structure, and now we're gonna be pushing bullish is what I'm hoping for. So what can we market as draws of liquidity? We got, I'm gonna be targeting basically this area right here. Here's top, and then we got that. So all gonna be take profits for me. So we're gonna be entering. Usually, dude, it never gets me like the right amount that I'm like risking, like on like Top Step. So I like to see it with a little bit more money, so like getting used to how much money I'm actually taking. So I'm gonna take this one as my first take profit right here. So we're getting 10, 1, 6, 0.81, 510, and then I'm gonna take the bottom of this value gap right here, 10, 132.94, 10, 132.94. Not the greatest RR, but as you can see it, it's kind of hard to see. It's like a 1.7. I understand what's bugging about it. We're gonna open. I think this is where it stops me out. So anyway, I guess we have to move right there, no matter what, even though it's not where I want to move it. And then we have first take profit right there. I want to have another take profit right here. And what strategy we're using? We're using this one right here. So let this play out. Okay, damn. We did get stopped out. But I bet you price goes. Let's get the Asia session again. Okay, damn. Bias was wrong. Okay, so very much happens. You know, gotta be part of the statistics somehow. So yeah, we're gonna try one more time. We're down 500. Totally fine. Totally fine. We're gonna be going back. I like to keep my win rate up on this, so don't think I'm not like playing around with. I'm not taking this seriously because I'm taking this very seriously. Win rate is very important to me, guys. More like damn near I don't care how much money I'm making. If I don't have a good win rate, then I don't feel content with myself. I'm like, damn, is that really like money I deserve, or is that just luck? So that's what I think about a win rate. Some people are just different. For me, I just have to see that I'm like having at least like a 75 above. So that's just how I am, y'all. Don't think y'all gotta be like me. See, there we go. Price did end up pushing. Filled. Just took out this liquidity right here. Order block right here. And we pushed higher. So, it's whatever. Got the manipulation down and went up. So we almost took out New York lows, but we didn't. So, yeah, okay. So that's all fine and dandy. We're gonna wait till market open again. Do this on 30-minute. Get rid of these. These. Be hopelessly devoted to you. Down, down, down. Okay, what I wanted to see out of this, which we didn't get, out of manipulation, and then I want to see some reversal back down, that we didn't get that. So we have some consolidations. I'm looking for another form of manipulation over here, over yonder. So maybe grabbing these highs over here, which aren't necessarily Asian highs anymore. They're just liquidity bulls. So we do have Asian session highs got taken out right here by London, but we still have London lows right here. Change these London lows to just another pull on liquidity, and then we also have so wait, those are Asia. What the fuck? Okay, so this is London highs, this is Asia lows, and this is London lows as well. Crazy. Basically all the same candle. Anyway, that's all fine and dandy again. So now what are we looking for out of some sort of manipulation? Just maybe hitting one of these, seeing what we're going to do after that, and waiting for a reaction. Okay, so now what I'm looking for is maybe some sort of move up and then back down. So targeting this fat ass imbalance right here on basically every single time frame. Definitely targeting this fat ass imbalance. It's also on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So hopelessly devoted to you. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna be looking for. I kind of want to take a trade off of this, so I'm looking for equilibrium 100% of the time, always. It's my highest confluence. So I want to see price tap into this for value gap right here. Hit equilibrium and come all the way down. So waiting for a reverse down. See clean. I want to see maybe Fibonacci right here, and that'd be nice. Let's see. Where's my fib? Where's my fib at? On the 15, we're looking for a 15. Oh, fuck me. We did get that 79%, so we're going to be doing shorts right here. And what am I targeting? I am looking forward because we get that breaker structure and we got that 79% extension closer and we got equilibrium. So that's good enough for me to be very confident in hitting these lows right here at least. So I'm going to be targeting this as TP1, 183.5. And then I'm going to be doing, fuck it, whatever. I'm doing stop loss at top of EQ. I mean, that sounds pretty good to me. 10,213.96. Damn, what the fuck? Oh. Wait, let's find it for value gap. We can put this so if it gets inverse, we want to be in it. That's what I like to do most of the time, y'all. Boom, boom. If it hits right here, I wouldn't feel very confident in staying within the trade. So I put it right here, 10,208.803. And we're gonna open. We're just gonna move it down to 1-to-1. Okay, if it inverses this right here, that's when I would take out, target right here. Nice little 1-to-1, y'all. And we're gonna be opening a short, which we already did. So this is about a 1-to-1. And we're gonna be seeing how this plays out. Let me just put it over here. Okay, we got stopped out again. And okay, so my bias was wrong. I really did want to see these get hit, but that's okay. That's okay. Dude. I don't even know what to do, bro. That Loki hurts, bro. Spectazing. Alright, guys. I'm back. That hurts. I was really contemplating on posting this, but I'm doing this for you guys, and I want to be as straightforward as it gets. Yeah, that was 2 losses in a row that I'm usually not taking 2 losses in a row like that, so that kind of hurts me. What did I do wrong on the last trade? I literally saw an inverse happen, and I said, that's fine, let me just take a trade and and roll with it. That is not my strategy whatsoever. As you can see, I mean, if I just waited for a nice clean break right here, I won't have to be worrying about my strategy being invalid. So yeah, definitely hurts. We're gonna do one more just for y'all. Just want to show y'all that it works. But let's do this on the real charts just to show y'all that. Okay, we'll do this on anything because it works on everything and everything. I did used to trade Forex, guys. I did that when I was paper trading, when I was in my paper trading grind. But look at, wow, holy shit. This is insane. That is insane consolidation. We have not been moving. I was trading around. Bro, what? That's weird. Yeah, I remember this though, because I used to trade right here when everything was just nothing. I just got no price action. And this was what I was trading, and then I got moved in, and then I moved into Nasdaq, and it was like a whole different fucking world, damn near. It was like low-key scary, but just seeing this on the high time frame, it works high time frame. Wow, my old settings. Look, you can just like aimbot this. We see price dip into equilibrium, and we can have that price is pushing bullish. We got a breaker structure right here, so we see price dip into equilibrium into this fair value gap. Does not invert it, fills it completely. We wait for a breaker structure right here. Enter TP1, TP2 soon to be hit, TP3 soon to be hit. You know what I'm saying? So very, very nice to see. Whoops. Let's go right here. Let's go around here. Hopelessly devoted to you. What the hell? Here we go. Okay, far enough. I'll probably find one right now. Damn, this must have been like CPI or something. Anyway, that's a crazy candle. But we do have this right here. Dude, I don't even know if that touched it. Hold up, low-key. No, like I usually don't even count that. I'm not gonna lie, that's maybe that's something else, bro. Like gold or something. Commodity at least. Hopelessly devoted. What's gold doing? I don't even know what gold looking like. I want to see what gold doing real quick. Yo, what the? Yeah, that's crazy. I haven't had a retrace in fucking forever. Gosh. They're pushing all-time highs every single day. That's why I usually don't trade gold. Just because of that. I just don't. Why would you want to be in price action like that? I feel like it's free money though. I don't understand why more people don't do it. It's not, because more people don't do it. So that's what I'm saying. Like, hopelessly devoted to you. I don't know. Here we go. All right, let's look. I pretty girls walk like this. Yeah.
Maybe I gotta go to the store. I'll be back.
Okay, sounds good.
Make sure you work on your stuff, Tom.
Hmm.
Make sure you work on math, physics. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever, y'all. Okay. Hopelessly. Yo, do I need a new strategy? I don't want to say because it hurts my ego, but I'm not gonna be. What the hell is that? I'm not gonna be one to be like hell no. I just think I look at my strategy differently than I have been. It's been very, very odd recently. It works. I mean, I have proof. Do I have enough proof? That's what I feel like. I don't know. always works if I follow everything correctly. There we go, guys. We also got this right here. Is that where the whatever? Filled brick structure right here. Boom. Down. Just filling this big ass for belly cap. But yeah, if you guys have any any questions, let me know. I'll be doing more back testing just because I need to get my my trading up. So yeah, love y'all guys, and we'll be locked in for NQ tomorrow. So everyone, lock the fuck in. Let's go, y'all. Trade patiently, trade safely, trade moderately, trade with trade with rules, trade discipline, trade with risk management. That's all you guys need. Strategy doesn't matter. I already know I know enough about my strategy. I feel confident enough. It's just a little rut I'm going through. So yeah, love y'all boys though. Peace.